Imagine a world run by rabbits. Rabbit face carrot. At first, carrots are hard to find. Only a few grow in the fields, so every carrot feels special. When something is rare, it becomes valuable. That's how value works. With time, rabbits learn how to farm better. They grow more fields and harvest more carrots. Soon, carrots are everywhere. And when something is everywhere, it feels less important. When carrots become common, they lose value. But prices don't change only because of abundance. Now imagine rabbits suddenly want more carrots, but farmers are still growing the same amount as before. More rabbits are buying, but the supply stays the same. Carrots become harder to get. Rabbits compete with each other. Prices go up. This is called demand pull inflation. Too many buyers chasing too few carrots. Now think about a different problem. What if rabbits want the same number of carrots, but a storm destroys half the carrot fields? Demand stays the same, but supply drops. There are fewer carrots to sell. Carrots become rare again. Prices rise because of the shortage. This is called cost push inflation, when prices rise because supply is reduced. One rabbit buys a carrot, takes a bite, and feels happy. He talks about it again and again. He tells his friends, and his friends tell others. Soon, many rabbits come to the carrot stand and buy all the carrots. The farmer wants to sell more, so he decides to grow more carrots, but things are not so easy. Seeds are expensive. Land is expensive. Workers are expensive. So the farmer raises carrot prices just to survive, not because he is greedy, but because growing carrots now costs more. Now things get strange. The number of carrots stays the same. Demand also stays the same. But suddenly, rabbits have more leaves, their money. When there is too much money, each leaf becomes less valuable. Carrots did not really get more expensive, the money became weaker. This is called monetary inflation. Carrot prices go up again. The rabbit government gets scared. Carrots are too expensive, they say. Let's print more leaves. Rabbits feel rich very fast and rush to buy carrots. But there are still the same number of carrots, so prices go up. The government prints even more leaves, and prices rise even faster. More money, higher prices. More money, higher prices. This is called hyperinflation, when money loses value very quickly. In the end, it becomes silly. Leaves are useless. So the government burns them and starts a new money called sticks. Now here's the lesson. Inflation is not always bad. If carrot prices go up and your leaves also go up the same amount, you are okay. If your leaves increase but carrot prices stay the same, you are doing very well. But if carrot prices go up and your leaves do not, you fall behind. You feel angry. You feel sad. And that rabbit is all of us. So don't just save leaves. Buy carrot fields. Buy things that grow with time. Because sometimes, inflation can get very crunchy. Carrot grinning face with smiling eyes.